Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2002 Ford Mustang? Or wondering what each fuse controls? This user guide provides a clear diagram and detailed location information to help you understand and troubleshoot your Mustang's electrical system. Passenger compartment fuse panel. The passenger compartment fuse panel is typically located under the dashboard or behind a trim panel. It houses fuses that protect interior electrical systems like the radio, power windows, and interior lights. Each fuse is color-coded and rated for specific circuits. Power distribution fuse box. The power distribution fuse box, often located in the engine compartment of a vehicle, serves as a central hub for managing and protecting the vehicle's electrical circuits. It contains fuses, relays, and circuit breakers that are responsible for distributing power to major systems such as the ignition, fuel pump, cooling fan, lighting, and electronic control modules.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.